My people shall dwell in a peaceable habitation, and in sure dwellings, and in quiet resting places.
Chapter 7. Country Living. Currumbong, New South Wales. Where shall our Australian Bible School be located? Should schools be located in the cities or within a few miles from them, it would be most difficult to counteract the influence of the former education which students have received in regard to these holidays and the practices connected with them, such as horse racing, betting, and the offering of prizes. We shall find it necessary to establish our schools out of and away from the cities, and yet not so far away that they cannot be in touch with them, to do them good, to let light shine amid the moral darkness. Everything about the place had impressed me favorably, except the fact that we were far from the great thoroughfares of travel, and therefore would not have an opportunity of letting our light shine amid the moral darkness that covers our large cities like the pall of death. This seems the only objection that presents itself to my mind. But then, it would not be advisable to establish our school in any of our large cities. I am more than ever convinced that this is the right location for the school. Huntsville, Alabama. Those who have charge of the schoolwork at Graysville and Huntsville should see what can be done by these institutions to establish such industries, so that our people desiring to leave the cities can obtain modest homes without a large outlay of means, and can also find employment. It was in the providence of God that the Huntsville School Farm was purchased. It is in a good locality. Near it there are large nurseries, and in these nurseries, some of the students have worked during the summer to earn money to pay their expense at the Huntsville School. The Huntsville School Farm is a most beautiful place, and with its 300 and more acres of land, should accomplish much in the line of industrial training and the raising of crops. Recently, the question was asked me, would it not be well to sell the school land at Huntsville and buy a smaller place? Instruction was given me that this farm must not be sold, that the situation possesses many advantages for the carrying forward of a colored school. Berrien Springs, Michigan. I hear that there is some thought of locating the school at Berrien Springs in the southwest of Michigan. I am much pleased with the description of this place. In such a place as Berrien Springs, the school can be made an object lesson, and I hope that no one will interpose to prevent the carrying forward of this work. The good hand of the Lord has been with our people in the selection of a place for the school. This place corresponds to the representations given me as to where the school should be located. It is away from the cities, and there is an abundance of land for agricultural purposes, and room so that houses will not need to be built one close to another. There is plenty of ground where students may be educated in the cultivation of the soil. In moving the college from Battle Creek and establishing it in Berrien Springs, Brethren Megan and Sutherland have acted in harmony with the light that God gave. They have worked hard under great difficulties. God has been with them, He has approved of their efforts.